subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. At least 7 taxi drivers in Japan have reported picking up the ghost of a person who left us in the 2011 earthquake and tsunami. Mark Zuckerberg received his degree after becoming a billionaire. The fear of being without a phone is called nomophobia. Big Ben is not a clock. Contrary to popular belief, Big Ben, the nickname of a 13.7-ton bell inside the Elizabeth Tower. The ones who give the best advice are usually the ones with the most problems. The largest bird sculpture on earth, Jatayu, India. The bowhead whale can live for longer than 2 centuries, making it the oldest mammal. A pregnant woman's dental health can affect her unborn child. The clownfish has the ability to change sex. At 3,312 feet tall, Angel Falls in Venezuela is the world's highest waterfall. In 1953, due to high speed, the F-11 fighter shot itself because it was faster than its bullet. Singapore means lion city, but there were no lions by nature ever lived in Singapore. Man arrested for training dog to throw bricks at people ringing his doorbell. The average human body contains 0.2 milligrams of pure gold. Man spent 12 years in a coma. He said that he heard everything, including his mother saying, "I hope you die." Squirrels will adopt another squirrel's baby if its parents die or are unable to take care of them. Stephen Hawking was born on the same day Galileo died, and he died the same day Einstein was born. The moon you see at night is 1.255 seconds old because light takes 1.255 seconds to reach Earth from moon. This is why eagles are always photographed from the side. Ostriches can run faster than horses, and the male ostriches can roar like lions. Bison at 35 below zero, Yellowstone National Park, USA. Space is cold because there is a lot of sunlight but not any atmosphere to fill that energy. Man buried in snow captures a rescue dog, saving him, and it's wonderful. Of the 5 senses, the only one that does not totally dim out during sleep is the sense of hearing. Your forearm and your foot are of same length. Bed frame allows bed for humans and place for kitties to sleep or play. Giraffes have black tongues 20 inches long. Playing music for your plants may seem like a strange thing to do, but research suggests that any sound including music help boost plant growth. Dentistry is the oldest profession in the world. One of the world's oldest optical illusion in art, an elephant and a bull sharing a common head. Psychology says when a girl is acting like she doesn't care about you anymore, that when she needs you the most. Humans only need to shower every 2 or 3 days. If you shower every day, you're just wasting in your time and water both. This is how the inside of Pokemon balls looks like. The most dangerous animal in the world is the common housefly. The bamboo grew up during the pandemic without the effects of tourist touch. Having a conversation with a woman gives a man improved mental strength. A study found that women are generally attracted to men 6 years older than they are. Sticking your fingers in your ears for a few seconds will instantly get rid of hiccups. The sun is actually white, it just appears yellow to us through the Earth's atmosphere. Charlie Chaplin's daughter plays Charlie Chaplin's mother in the 1992 biopic Chaplin. Meet Babia, the only known vegetarian crocodile in the world from Kerala, India. Actor George Clooney gifted 14 of his friends $1 million each after his film Gravity became a huge hit. Chain made out of stone, only ancient Indians were able to do this. NASA has a job position for defending a planet from aliens. The official job title is Planetary Protection Officer. Instead of saying cheese before taking a picture, Victoria said prunes. The world's tiniest McDonald's is in Sweden, but it is only for bees. Sexually active people tend to suffer less heart attacks, possibly owing to their better fitness. During orgasm, a man experiences rapid rhythmic contractions of the anal sphincter, the prostate, and the muscles of the penis. Thanks for watching.